Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook tasty and healthy pasta for kids. I know most of the kids like pasta. Let's add more taste on it. Normally I used to add the macaroni in water before the water boiled. At first, boil 2 cups of pasta in water side by side. And now take a small onion and 1 medium tomato, chopped it as much as small you can. As you know, usually kids don't like onion or vegetables. Only some of them they love. Normally you have to chop the onion, half parts of the onion. And now it's nicely chopped. Normally I used to add the macaroni in water before it boiled. If you do this, the macaroni pasta boiled fast. Add 1 big teaspoons of oil, food oil, and stir it slowly, and add a small amount of like half a spoon of salt and stir it properly. Mix it together, because when you add salt you have to mix it proper. Let it boil around 10 minutes. Take 5-6 almond and cashew nuts, 6 or 7 pieces. Now it's time to add the ingredients in mixture. Pour it in the mixture. Almond, cashew nut, onion, the chopped onion, and then the chopped tomato. Mix all the onion and tomato inside the mixture box. And mix it together as much as fine you can. Let the macaroni overcooked, because kids like macaroni quite soft. Okay, the macaroni noodles is nicely done, so stir the water on. Wash it with cold water. Wash it nicely and cover on and put it side by. Now turn on your oven and give a heat to a pan. And when the pan is warm, then add a small amount of butter and take the gravy and add it in a pan and stir it slowly. Stir it properly, like shown in the video. Stir it and let it cooked, and add a small amount of salt as well, because the salt we added that's before it's almost washed out. So just take a small half spoon salt and then add it in the gravy and stir it slowly and properly, because the salt have to go all over the sauce. Yes. Stir it again and again, and don't cover the sauce, because if you don't cover the sauce, it will become thicker fast, I can say. And you can see it's almost done. You don't need to add anything extra, just the gravy of the nuts, tomato and the onion. I'm sure your kids going to love this. And add the boiled pasta, the boiled macaroni. Yes, oh, it looks awesome. And stir it once again and mix the pasta and the sauce together proper way. Yes. Just mix it properly all over the pasta and let the pasta to absorb the gravy, and don't cover it, just let it open in time and again stir it. And now it's time to add ketchup. I think you can add a ketchup in your choice. Like you want normally 5 big teaspoons. Now I'm going to serve. The pasta is ready. It looks good. Hope you enjoyed on this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any question regarding to my video, comment below. I will answer as much as I can. Hope to see you on next video soon.